Purna Chetana, the 21st century Bharatiya school. Have you ever checked the weather forecast before going on a trip? Or wondered how scientists know it's going to rain tomorrow? It might seem like magic, but it's actually science. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. It keeps changing every hour and every day. Almost all weather changes happen in the troposphere, the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere, where we live and where clouds, rain, winds, and storms are formed. To understand the weather, scientists observe five important elements. The first is temperature, which tells us how hot or cold the air is. It is measured using a thermometer. The second is precipitation, which includes rain, snow, sleet, and hail. The amount of rainfall is measured using a rain gauge. The third is atmospheric pressure, the weight of the air above us. Have you ever felt the air becoming heavy before a storm? That's because the air pressure is changing. Low pressure systems often bring clouds, heavy rain, storms, and even cyclones. Atmospheric pressure is measured using a barometer. Next comes wind. Wind is simply air moving from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressure. Both its direction and speed are important because they help predict changing weather. Scientists use a wind vane to find the direction and an anemometer to measure wind speed. The fifth element is humidity, which is the amount of water vapor present in the air. On humid days, our sweat doesn't evaporate easily, making us feel sticky and uncomfortable. Wet clothes also take longer to dry. Humidity is measured using a hygrometer. All these instruments work together in a weather station, where weather data is collected continuously. Today, many places use automated weather stations, which record weather information without human intervention. Meteorologists carefully study this data to predict rain, heat waves, floods, droughts, thunderstorms, and cyclones. These forecasts help farmers protect their crops, pilots and sailors travel safely, governments prepare for disasters, and all of us plan our daily lives with confidence. In India, the India Meteorological Department (IMD) collects weather data from across the country and issues timely weather forecasts and warnings to keep people safe. So remember, weather isn't just about whether it's sunny or rainy. It is the combined effect of temperature, precipitation, atmospheric pressure, wind, and humidity. By measuring these five elements, we can understand today's weather and prepare for tomorrow.